Hi, I'm Ken Haywood, and today I want to talk a little bit about Newton's law of motion, 4.6. Newton meets the automobile. Um, I think we all take a little bit of advantage of what really creates the propulsion or the acceleration that we get when we're driving a car or walking. There's lots of forces that play a part in it. You have gravity pulling down on your body to the earth, and then you also have the earth pushing your body back up. That's two of the forces. And then you have, backwards forces, pulling back on you that keeps you stable, not moving. You're on a flat surface. Um, the acceleration comes from when you either, if you're walking, you push backwards with your foot and creates a backwards motion on the ground, and then the earth itself, or the ground pushes you forward. And then with an automobile, it's the centrifugal force of the tires pushing against the earth, and then also again the earth pushing forward on that and creating the acceleration. Um, you have other resistant forces when you're driving, especially in a car. If your tires are a little low, that creates friction. It creates a drag, if you will, slowing you down. So therefore, you end up having to push on the gas a little harder in order to keep going. You also have wind resistance, air pressure. That's always pushing against you. The faster you go, you put your hand outside the window when you're driving, you can feel that pressure pushing your hand back. So those all play a part in your acceleration and your continued movements when you're driving or walking. That it all goes in. There's other forms of propulsion. It talks about a little bit about rocket power and how rockets take in air, heat it, and burn it, and push it out the back out of a smaller orifice to create a little bit higher propulsion. And I hope that helps everybody understand a little bit about how acceleration and propulsion works a little bit. I really myself didn't realize, I take it for granted how we actually got moving. I just figured, you took a step and you moved, and in the car you pressed on the gas and you moved. So, realizing now that it's actually the earth pushing back against you helps us understand how things work a little bit better. And thank you very much. Have a great evening.